In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Higgsfield AI for video transitions. By the end, you'll confidently turn two static frames into a smooth, stylized transition video using the built-in Transitions app. Start by opening your browser and going to higgsfield.ai. Once the homepage loads, look to the top navigation bar and click on Apps. This takes you to the collection of creative tools available inside Higgsfield. In the search bar on that page, type Transitions. You'll see the Transitions app appear. Open it to begin setting up your effect. Inside the Transitions app, you'll first set the start of your transition. Click on Start Frame, then choose and select the image or frame you want to begin with and click Open. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit frame that represents the scene you're transitioning from. Try to keep your start and end images in the same aspect ratio so the movement feels natural and you avoid unexpected cropping. High-resolution images typically produce cleaner results, so choose the sharpest version you have. Next, select the transition style. Click on Raven Transition, then choose here to apply it. Raven is a dynamic, stylized motion effect designed to carry your viewer from the first frame to the second with a cinematic sweep. If your footage or images include strong shapes or contrast, Raven often accentuates those lines and makes the motion feel intentional and dramatic. Now define where you want the effect to land. Click on End Frame, then choose and select the final image or frame and click Open. Ideally, this frame should visually relate to your start frame, similar color palette, subject size, or composition, so the transformation reads cleanly. Again, matching aspect ratio helps keep the transition smooth. Set the duration of the transition to control the pacing. Shorter durations feel snappy and energetic, great for fast edits, while longer durations add drama and give the effect time to breathe. Think about the rhythm of your overall video. If your surrounding cuts are quick, a 1 to 2 second transition usually fits. For more cinematic sequences, try a few seconds longer to showcase the movement. When everything looks good, click Generate Video. Higgsfield will process your frames and apply the Raven transition between them. Rendering time can vary based on the duration and the size of your images, so give it a moment. Once the video is ready, review the motion from start to end. If you want a different feel, adjust the duration or swap in a clearer start or end frame, then generate again until it matches your vision. That's it, your transition is created and ready to use in your edit.